This video will show you how to install the insect screen on Silverline single hung windows. You will need safety glasses as well as the replacement insect screen. To remove the existing insect screen, first unlock the window and lift the sash at least 3 inches. Now, tilt the sash inward by using your index fingers to slide the tilt latches toward the center of the window. With the tilt latches fully retracted, pull the sash inward until the latches clear the window frame. To remove the insect screen, slide the latches at the top corners downward. Grasp the pull tabs at the corners and pull the insect screen inward. Once the top has cleared the bottom of the check rail, lift the insect screen up and out of the window. Prior to installation, identify the bottom of the new insect screen by locating the warning label. Make sure the warning label is facing the inside of your home. To install the new insect screen, lower the bottom of it into the frame, nesting it between the insect screen stop and the window frame. Now, tilt the top into the window frame and under the check rail. Once it is fully seated against the frame, engage the latches at the top corners of the insect screen by sliding them up. Retract the tilt latches in the sash and return the sash to the upright position. Finally, close and lock the window. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the insect screen in your Silverline window.